Unboxing. Accessories. Toolbox. Instruction manual. Screws. Pedals. Kickstand. Power adapter. Tool bag. Remove the two screws from the kickstand. Align the holes and tighten the screws. Loosen the single side screw and remove the front axle fixing shaft. Note, the fittings on the front fork axle are required for installing the front wheel. Remove the brake caliper protector from the brake caliper. Note, this is packaging material and can be discarded. Pre-install the front wheel. Align the brake disc rotor with the brake mount first. Install the axle core and accessories removed from the front fork onto the axle hole of the front wheel from one side. Then install the accessories and axle spacer on the other side. Temporarily tighten the left and right screws after installation. Tighten the screws on both sides with a 15 mm open end wrench to prevent loosening, and inspect them regularly. During use, check the clearance between brake rotor and brake caliper. Make sure the rotor is centered. Remove the screws on the side of the fork and the top of the front wheel. Align the holes on the fender and tighten the screws. Remove the nuts and washers on both sides of the headlight. Install the headlight on the front side of the fork. Arrange the washers and nuts in the correct order and tighten all the screws. Remove the protective pads from the handlebar frame and unscrew the screws. Flip the handlebar frame over and then tighten the screws back in place. Remove the handlebar retainer clips. Install the handlebars onto the retainer clips. Note the gap between the handlebars and the fork. Install the retainer clips. Reassemble. Note, tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern. Adjust the handlebar position until you are satisfied and comfortable. Then tighten the screws on the handlebar frame and the screws on the retaining clip. Remove the two screws on the instrument panel mounting ring. Secure the instrument panel to the handlebars. Adjust the angle of the instrument panel. Then tighten the screws on the instrument panel mounting ring. Connect the instrument panel wiring. There are arrow indicators on the wiring. Align the rear seat with the screw holes on the rear frame. Then remove the corresponding screws and washers, and tighten the screws with an Allen wrench. Use the same method for the small seat. Remove these for screws. Align the rear frame with the holes. Use both wrenches together to tighten the screws back. After connecting the rear light wiring, push the battery into the battery compartment under the seat. Note the installation positions of the left and right pedals. Tighten the pedals with a wrench. Use the provided key to confirm that the battery removal is normal. Now test if the vehicle functions properly. Remember to turn on the battery switch and the switch on the button group.